So here I open up a browser and navigate to claude.ai/login. Then in the email input field, I type in my email and click continue. Then I need to verify. I'll get a code on email, which I paste in here and click verify email address. Then I accept the terms and create my account. I need to answer a few questions and now I can select my plan. We go with Pro, so I get access to Claude Code. Here I need to fill in my payment details along with a few other things about myself. After I have paid, I get welcome to Pro. I can start my first prompt here just to see that it works. So here I'll just make a simple one that needs to describe my company, and I get a result. Your Claude Pro subscription is now set up.